Okay. So now the net of an object is the flat version of the object, which could be folded to become the 3D object again. See if you can label what each of the following nets would become if they were folded to 3D. Okay, so what would this one be? A rectangular prism. Okay, a rectangular prism. Okay, what about this one? Cylinder. Okay.
Call that like a cylindrical octagon.
Okay. It can actually just be, how many is an octagon, right? So it can be an octagonal prism. Okay. Or you can say an octagon-based prism, okay? Basically, prism is telling us that it's a three-dimensional representation of that shape. And then by saying that it's an octagon, we know the base of that prism is an octagon, okay? Okay, so draw a net for this gift box. Label it with the dimensions. Okay, so we're going to draw a net. So what do we notice about this? First of all, what is it? It's a right angle, okay? So that's why you want to be a bit specific. It is a right angle, triangular prism, okay? So first things first, what I like to do, and it's up to you guys, I like to say, okay, there's my base. I know here, and I actually don't think I have all the information, but I'm going to just work with this, okay? There's my base. And here are my arms. Sorry, I need to make my arms a bit smaller, I think. And now I need the triangle at each end. Okay? It is a right angle triangle, which means I'm going to put it like this. The reason I do this is because that middle rectangle has to hit the hypotenuse of the triangle, okay? And then this side, as it closes up, will hit this side of the triangle, okay, as I fold it up. Does that make sense? Okay? Now, we need to label some stuff. So we know this to be 32 centimeters. Everyone agree with that? We know this, okay, wait, so dash, to be 25 centimeters. I do not know my hypotenuse, do I? Can I calculate my hypotenuse, though? I can use Pythagorean theorem, right? So c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So c squared equals 25 squared plus 25 squared. Sorry, I forgot to graph the calculators for you if you want them. Okay, so this becomes, I'll just write it below, I apologize, 1,250. And now I'm going to take the square root of everything to figure out what my C is. So I'm going to go to the closest full unit, so I have 35 centimeters. Which means 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is 35 centimeters. Okay, everyone knows that those dashes represent the corresponding side of the dash. Okay, now surface area. Surface area. You can do it one of two ways. You can use the equation for surface area, or you could calculate the area of all three rectangles, both triangles, and add them all together, okay? I'm going to use the equation. So surface area, I'm just circling it in green so we know that's the equation I'm doing. So surface area is equal to AH plus BH plus CH plus BL. So I need to label things here. Okay, so I'm going to go, B is the base of B, C, and A. My height is going to be H, and the length is also the height of the object. So depending on how you're looking at this, I'm just going to put C and L to be the same number. Okay? B or C could be the height or L length of the triangle. Okay? It won't matter because they're the same number. So now I'm just plugging things in. So A, we figured out to be 35 times H, which is 32, plus B, which is 25 times H, which is 32, plus C, which is 25 times H, which is 32, plus B, which is 25 times L, which is 25. Sorry that I ran out of space there. Does that make sense, though, what I'm doing? Label the triangle that will always be a mark. Okay? Label your triangle that will always be a mark. So 35 times 32 plus 25 times 32 plus 25 times 32 plus 25 times 25. I got 3,345. Can someone check that for me? Centimeters squared. This could have been user error if I plugged something in incorrectly, so just check my work. I got it. Okay, does that make sense? Sound good, everybody? Morning. Gonna give everyone a second to write it down. Pardon?
BL.
Yes, 25. 25 times 25, yeah. Sorry, got a little squishy. Always run into this. Okay, can I go to the next one? Okay. A can of hot cider mix has dimensions as shown. Determine the surface area of the can to the nearest centimeter. Okay? So all I'm doing is calculating surface area here. Surface area is given to you on your formula sheet. Surface area is equal to 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Okay? So here we're given our diameter, which means our radius is actually going to be 5 centimeters. We know pi, we know our height, so all we do is plug everything in. So 2 times 3.14 times 5 squared plus 2 times 3.14 times 5 times 12. Okay? The calculator will do all of the work for you provided you use your brackets properly. I got 533.8. Oh, to the nearest centimeter. So I'll go 533.8 and then round it is 534 centimeters. What am I doing?
Why is pi 2.15?
because I just can't write. I just was probably thinking about 5 being the next number. Sorry. So did I put in, here's my question. No, I put in the right number. Did anyone else get 533.8? Courtney, you got that? Okay, awesome. Okay, so can someone let me know, is there practice questions right now? Okay, awesome. So now you just work on the practice questions.